Kindergarten, week 21, plants. Teachers, we're going to talk about Teaks 10D because it's kind of hard to explain plants when you don't start with a seed. In your 10D it says observe changes that are part of a simple life cycle of a plant, seed, seedlings, plant, flower, and fruit. So I'm going to start with this little seed here. But I'm not going to tell the kids what it is. I want them to observe it. I'm just going to pretend like I'm a kindergartner. I'm going to pick up that seed. I'm going to, make observations, scientific observations. What color is it? What shape is it? Do you see anything on it? Like if they look real closely, they see a little indentation there that has a different color. So I want them to drop it. It sounds like it's made of plastic or wood. So that's something they could observe. They could smell it. And then do all kinds of different little things. They could lay it on their ruler and do their inchworm ruler measurement on it. And then, to make it easy for kindergarten, I'm going to have them lay it on this piece of paper and they can trace it. Now, I can't trace this real well with holding an iPad, but I did a pretty good job. Then I'm going to look at it and I'm going to add that detail. I see something right there. So I'm going to draw that. There's something there. I don't know what it is. And they could measure this. If they can't measure their seed very well, they could measure this with their inchworm rulers. Then I'm going to have I'm going to ask them, what is this? They're going to tell me what they think it is. Maybe you'll have to record it. So maybe you'll have some different recordings here. Maybe you'll have chart paper and you're recording all the answers there. What do you think it's going to turn into? Draw a picture of what you think it's going to be. And I don't know what they're going to draw. And then you're going to show them some. I want you to show them some that have been in water. We're going to add water to them. And for kindergarten, I would just teach them that this is a symbol for water. It's a water droplet. You could draw several if you need to. And I'll get this worksheet for you. I'll have it made out and it'll be typed for your kids. So then I'm going to show them the ones with water. These have been soaking in water overnight. I now want them to make different observations that they see some changes. They see wrinkles. If they compare it in size, something's happened to the size. It's the exact same thing. All I did was put it in water. So have them turn it over, look at it. There's something coming out of this one now that wasn't coming out of the other one. So they need to draw it. So on this paper over here, they're going to draw this bigger bean seed, and if they need to trace it, they can. That little thing is still there, but now little things are coming out of it. Whatever they want to draw that they actually see. Like on this side, these aren't very big. The other side's a little longer. And there's different ones. Like I picked some that have some different. Look, there's one with two on it. So now you have to ask what's happening. What's happening on that paper? What's happened to that seed? Listen to what they say and write it. Maybe this is on a big chart paper. So that's what we're going to do the first day. We're just going to explore these seeds. We could actually put them in the balances and see the difference. How many gram counters it takes. What's the difference in these two sizes? How much does one weigh and the other one not weigh? We're going to take this soaked bean right here, and I have little snack bags, wet paper towel, and we're going to put them in there Now we're going to tape it to the window in your room. And then they're going to be able to make all of their observations. And I will give everyone a sheet of paper that has a little observation chart on it. So make sure with a Sharpie that kid's name is on there. So put your student's name on here so that they can see it plainly. And over the next few days we'll make observations. We're also going to be planting one in a cup because most of these won't survive very long. So that's going to start our plant unit.